So the plan here is to flatten one side perfectly, make it square, and then I'm going to use the table saw to cut a couple pieces out of here. But I need one good flat square edge to start all my cuts on. So it'll take me a few minutes to get this side flat, but I'll just keep working on it.
Expected the world, but it flew away from her reach. So she ran away in her sleep and dreamed of paradise, paradise. Every time she closed her eyes. Expected the world, but it flew away from her reach, and the bullets catching her teeth. Life goes on, it gets so heavy.
No, it just stops. It's so annoying. Is it like a 4x8, 12? How much do those cost?
$50.
Wheel breaks the butterfly, every tear a waterfall. In the night, the stormy night, she closed her eyes. In the night, the stormy night, away she flies. A dream of
Well, I won't be doing that again. I think I'll just use a skill saw to cut both sides next time. Just too much work and too teetery. But I did get a good cut. I cut it like 12 1/4, so I can come back with the plane and get it perfect and get it right around 12 inches. And then I'll cut the second board probably tomorrow night, and I think I'm going to use these long pieces for the legs and the cross members, and then I'm thinking I might actually use my cypress over on the side of the house, maybe a couple of those for the aprons for the sides of the bench. But we'll see. But anyway, I'm going to finish cleaning up. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks.